Hello and welcome guys to our YouTube channel is Pufututu. Get ready guys for an epic journey of entertainment, laughter and knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start! Boo boo, why are you crying? Last night you fought with me without any reason, Dudu. I didn't say anything wrong. I just told you to sleep early because I was genuinely worried about you. You hadn't been sleeping well for the past few days, and I could see you were tired, stressed, and not yourself. I just wanted you to take care of your health, but instead of understanding that, you got angry at me. You raised your voice, and it hurt me. I kept thinking about it all night. I care about you more than anything, and it felt so unfair to be treated like that when all I did was care. Oh, Boo Boo, I am really very sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I was just tired and stressed, but that's not excuse. I just care about you. I know, and I am lucky to have someone who cares like you do. Please forgive me. I will be better. Okay, just don't fight with me like that again. Never again. Promise. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for